Mistplay and Giraffe both let beginners earn rewards by playing mobile games, but the experience feels different because one is more structured around game progression, and the other is more focused on simple time-based gameplay. By the end, you'll understand which app is easier to start with, what slows beginners down in each system, and which one usually feels less confusing on day one. Mistplay is built around selecting games from a curated list, installing them, and earning units by playing and progressing inside each game. For beginners, the main learning step is understanding that not every game pays the same and progression inside each game matters. Giraffe is built around installing featured games and earning coins based mostly on time spent playing. For beginners, the process is simpler, because you mainly open a game and play without needing to understand deeper progression systems. Mistplay can feel slightly more complex at the start, because you need to pay attention to which games are still rewarding progress, and when switching games makes sense to keep earning efficiently. Giraffe feels simpler for beginners, because you can just pick a game from the list and start earning without worrying much about in-game milestones or progression tracking. Mistplay is better for beginners who don't mind a small learning curve. Once you understand how units and progression work, it becomes easier to optimize your earnings over time. Giraffe is better for beginners who want the simplest possible setup. There's less strategy involved, so it feels more like play and earn without extra thinking. Another difference is how quickly beginners feel progress. Mistplay rewards can feel steady once you stay in a game long enough, but early progress depends on choosing the right games. Giraffe can feel faster at the beginning, because you can switch between games more freely and keep earning coins without needing deep progression inside one game. Time commitment also affects beginner experience. Mistplay tends to reward longer, focused play sessions in fewer games. Giraffe rewards shorter sessions across more games, which can feel easier to manage. Effort level is slightly different. Mistplay requires beginners to learn which games are still worth playing for rewards. Giraffe reduces that decision-making and keeps things more straightforward. Risk is not financial in either app, but beginners should understand that both depend heavily on game availability, which means earning speed can change without warning. Quick summary: Mistplay is better for beginners who want structured progression and are okay learning how the system works. Giraffe is better for beginners who want a simple, low-decision way to start earning right away. If you want the easiest possible start, Giraffe is more beginner-friendly. If you want a system that becomes more efficient once you learn it, Mistplay is the stronger long-term option. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparison breakdowns like this.